What's up? So this video is exactly what the title says. The carpet cleaning business is not for everybody. All right, so it may not be for the reasons that you might think. So we're gonna get into that right now. First, you need to go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so if you're interested in getting the carpet cleaning business, if you're already in it, just starting out, and you're just going through YouTube and you're scrolling through, you're trying to get as much information as you can, like I did when I first started years ago, definitely subscribe because I get in a mindset of people like you, and so the content I give is like talking to myself when I first started the business, right? So first off, do I think carpet cleaning business is an amazing business? I think it's an amazing business. All right, different places in the United States or America or America. That's the same place, right? Or Canada, UK, doesn't matter, okay? If you got carpet, it's a good business, all right? Like here, where I live, most of the homes have carpet, okay? It's carpet or tile. So I offer carpet and tile cleaning. You might be in an area that doesn't offer so much, doesn't have so much carpets, but it should be something you still offer, right? That means there's probably not a lot of carpet cleaners in that area, right? But yeah, definitely focus on your main service as being to whatever it is. Maybe it's tile, maybe it's hardwood floor, okay? But we're going to talk about carpet cleaning because for me, carpet cleaning is a really a gift that I found way too late in life, okay? It's something I did as a kid. My first job was carpet cleaning. It was something I picked up later in life and ended up being a perfect fit for me. Was able to go to business on my own. Didn't have to work for nobody else again. Set my own hours. I haven't had to set an alarm clock for work in 7 years. You know, because I was already waking up early. I was getting up at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, my 9 to 5. So getting up at 8 o'clock, 7:30 is nothing to me. So only time I set my alarm clock, by the way, is when I go on vacation. Okay, so let's get to the point. The point is not everybody should start a cleaning business or a carpet cleaning business. Should you be a carpet cleaner? Because if you look around, your house is filthy. Then your car is filthy. Everything's, you're just not a clean person. No, hey man, I'm not judging. People live differently, all right? You will know this if you're in the cleaning industry, okay? But if you're not a person that's good with cleaning, you shouldn't be a cleaner. You shouldn't be a carpet cleaner. Okay, we have to be our own quality assurance as we're doing our job. We have to have an eye for detail. Luckily, the job I had for 20 years before I decided to start my own business, 20 years, 15 years, I was a machinist. And I mean, you have to really look. And a little scratch, it's no good. I mean, you have to really have an eye for detail. And we were dealing in millimeters and stuff like that. So that helped me be kind of OCD about things. Was I the cleanest person? No, but I was neat. My home was always neat when I was living by myself, right? It wasn't filthy. But, I knew how to clean. So if you don't know how to clean, if you don't have an eye for detail, if your home is just, filthy, dirty. Maybe you may not get into cleaning, should get into the cleaning industry. Because you got to be the final eyeballs on these rooms that you're cleaning. If you think just going through the motions is good enough, and the customer is going to be happy, what I mean is if you do the steps, you vacuum, you pre-spray, You agitate, then you extract, okay? When you extract is when you're rinsing everything out. That's when you get your final clean. If you're just going through the motions, one constant motion through the whole carpet, no matter if it's really filthy over here, and then on this side of the room it's clean, maybe underneath the furniture it was clean, if it's like a full move out or something like that. And you just kind of go through the motion, the same pace to the whole, and you just wrap it up and leave. So what you're thinking is, just because you rinsed it out and this spot still looks a little darker, it must be permanent. So you just keep on moving, or you just don't notice it. You know, you just keep going. There's a little spot there, like the size of a dime, and it's barely, visible. But if you look, you can see it. But you just keep moving. You know, you just think because you went through the process, you have a clean carpet and you're a professional carpet cleaner now. No, you have to be able to evaluate the situation. So basically, if you're going along with your wand or VLM, whatever you do, and as you clean a certain area, rinse a certain area, look at it as you move over, make sure that that spot or that area rinsed out and looks clean. If it doesn't look clean, maybe treat it with some pre-spray, a little agitation, go over it again. Okay? Maybe it's an organic stain. You just need a little bit of peroxide to squirt it on there, right? But evaluate it and then move on. Don't just go through the process, okay? Go through the motions and think that. So if that's you, maybe you're working for a carpet cleaning company already, and your boss or whoever you're working with is constantly saying, "Hey, you missed a spot. You missed a spot," or you're getting a lot of callbacks. And this is something that just doesn't change. You shouldn't go into business for yourself because you're not going to have a good reputation. You're not going to get repeat customers. They're not going to be happy. So starting a business, any business, is all about customer satisfaction. And in the carpet cleaning industry, if you're not focusing on that, you're going to be advertising a lot more than these other guys, right? Therefore, you're not going to be making much profit. You're only going to have one-time customers. The more you're in business, the less you have to advertise. If you're just so if you're owner or operator, you should get to a point to where you don't have to advertise after so many years. Okay? But if you plan to expand your business, of course you need to start advertising more. Okay? So if you don't have a good eye for it, and I know this, guys, because I train people, I have guys work with me, and they're passing stuff up they should never pass up. Because if they're cleaning a room, I'll go in there and I'll look, right? Make sure they did a good job. Sometimes I'll be over their shoulder and I'll see them pass something up. And I'm like, how you pass that up? Really? Would your customer be happy with that? So then I got to remind myself, not everybody has an eye for clean. Okay? So therefore, you should not be in the cleaning industry. You should not be a carpet cleaner. Okay? So odds are you're going to start your business and it's going to hit a wall and you're probably going to give up after a few years. But if you are a good candidate for carpet cleaning and you haven't started yet, I got a school. I've taught hundreds of people how to start their business and not only start it, but succeed. Because we know most people will quit after the first year or 2 years, right? So there is a formula to any business, right? And my course, focuses more on carpet cleaning and other types of cleaning, tile cleaning, hardwood floor cleaning. And I teach you, and I give you all the tools. And I don't like to call it course because it's more like training. So if you need a blueprint, that's your blueprint, guys. It'll teach you everything from chemistry to doing SEO. If you don't know what SEO is yeah, Google it. Anyway, yeah, link below all my videos for that. All right. Hope to see you there. See you in the next video.